Details on a 41 Action News exclusive about a physician accused of molesting veterans at the VA. After we showed him our report tonight, U.S. Senator Jerry Moran says he will personally look into this case. 41 Action News reporter Lexi Suter broke this story and talked to the victim tonight, the alleged victim.
And Krista, since we first reported on this last week, more and more victims have come forward. Now, many thought that they were alone. Tonight, one veteran told me he felt so violated that he stood up for himself to this former physician assistant.
I told him I'd bust his if he ever tried something like that again.
What did he say to you?
Nothing. He could see I was offended by the comment that he made, and he said he was simply joking.
This veteran, who asked to remain anonymous, says he experienced multiple uncomfortable and upsetting visits to former physician assistant Mark Weisner at the Leavenworth VA hospital.
Initially, he seemed to be like an okay physician, but towards some of the routine visits that I had to visit with him, there's things that I would consider inappropriate.
He says some of those inappropriate actions included unnecessary prostate exams at nearly every appointment, even one time when he was seen for a headache.
He would fondle or touch your testicles without gloves, and seemed to be no real cause for that.
Weisner surrendered his medical license willingly in February after the Kansas Board of Healing Arts investigated multiple claims of sexual abuse, keeping inaccurate medical records, and over-medicating patients. Weisner was charged in Leavenworth County with 2 misdemeanors for sexual battery and 1 felony for criminal aggravated sodomy. The hospital notified Weisner's patients of the allegations with this letter, asking patients to answer some questions. This veteran shared his experience and returned the form, but says the VA never followed up.
It certainly violates, veterans' trust. We're dealing with a number of issues, and then to have to come back and the agency tasked with caring for our nation's veterans is now providing further wounds to the nation's veterans.
When I reached out to the Leavenworth VA hospital today, a spokesperson confirmed Weisner was dismissed, that there is an investigation going on outside of the VA, and confirmed that letter that you just saw that was sent out to all of Weisner's patients. Lexi Suter, 41 Action News.